Unique crown-shaped tip design. Aims for easy drilling, efficient dust removal, and longest lifespan. One-of-a-kind cutter design. Exclusive 3 and 4 cutter design by Shehkai R&D team. Tuned geometry creates the roundest hole and perfect roundness that outcircle other drill bits. A round hole like this is best suited for screw anchor installation. Original design that delivers the best performance. High-strength tungsten carbide provides the strongest tip that ensures drilling with zero failure. To provide powerful strength and precise positioning, the tip is designed as a sharp point with an angle that cuts viciously into concrete. Specially tuned material enhances the overall performance of the drill bit, whether it's the tungsten carbide on the tip or the alloy steel on the shank. The number of holes that can be drilled has thus been greatly multiplied. Sophisticated manufacturing technology. Unlike inserted drill bits, there's no need for carbon steel to sustain the tungsten carbide. Tungsten carbide is directly welded on the tip. With high temperature during the welding process, the drill bit is made to withstand overheating. Fast dust removal. Special shank material of alloy steel is processed under high temperature. This process guarantees both its hardness and durability. Smooth furrow design ensures not only speedy dust venting, but speeds up the overall drilling. Spacious channel created like a pipe, venting all the dust out from the hole. Drilling at least 30% faster and more efficient. Now let's take a look at how it performs when hitting rebar. Rebar Encountered. Rebar Cut. Dust vented vigorously. Dust collected by magnet serves as proof of the rebar. Shehkai, not only a bimetal screw expert, but a reliable drill bit professional from Taiwan.